Okay, we're at John Pennekamp State Park. We're heading to our campsite. We're in Key Largo. I let this Georgetown get by me. I'm already checked in, and the fellow running the gate said he would remember my hat. He said he would remember my hat.
You know what else we do, Greg?
No, what?
Well, I hope you like a 2-week-old watermelon. Unless you grabbed it.
Okay. Had some trouble taking a picture there. Maybe I'll just edit that out of the video. Anyhow. To the left. The marina is to the right. Beach is to the left. Beach. Little bit of pavilions. Over here is the oversized vehicle parking, plenty of parking, We're going to go back to the campsite. May as well head over to the campsite and keep our oranges cool. Man, that you could lose a wheel in that hole. How about it? Okay. Site number 9. There's 9, which I'm coming back to. These sites over here are nice, the paved ones. 39 and 40.